What's going on with the oil market, though? Simple, very simple. Is it fundamentals or is it speculation?
I think, well, obviously it's a little bit of both, but I think what has changed is it's more a focus on the supply side than was, say, back in January of 2016. It was a big focus on demand back when oil was collapsing back there. And I woke up this morning, I fired up my Bloomberg, and one of the top headlines there was supply concerns weigh on oil markets. So it seems like the focus has changed over the last 16 months or so.
Absolutely, but there's got to be a reason why it's changed, because it does seem as though whatever OPEC tries to do, they just can't lift the oil price. Is it because, I mean, we've always reported, or people have said that reports of the death of OPEC are greatly exaggerated, but is Saudi Arabia the swing producer, or is it U.S. shale now? I
think it's becoming more and more U.S. shale. And, when I go down to Houston, energy capital of the United States, and I talk to petroleum folks down there, 3 or 4 years ago, what price do you need to break even? $60. 2 years ago, what price do you need to break even? $55. What price do you need to break even today? $50. Right, the technology is coming better and better, and you have an administration in Washington who's very, very energy friendly as well. And so as soon as oil prices go up to any meaningful degree, the drills start in the United States.
And it's the ability to turn them off and on.
It's the ability to turn them off and on as well. They can turn them on very, very quickly, and they can cap them very quickly as well. So it's a different technology.
Of course, and we see this rig count continue to really grow exponentially as well.
Right, and I just think that's probably going to continue for a while in the United States. The technology is getting better and better. We have proven oil fields of shale, and that's just going to continue.
But of course, it has implications, a weaker oil price when it comes to the economy. It acts almost like a stimulatory measure it could be seen as essentially being an interest rate cut, but it's not as important as it used to be.
No, it's not as important as it used to be. And as a share of what Americans spend on energy, that has come down over the years. But still, at the end of the day, if you're talking about lower income Americans, if they see their gasoline prices going down, 50 cents a gallon or whatever it's going to be, if they think that's going to be sustained, that will end up with higher consumer spending in the United States.